Today we are moving beyond the face and exploring the fascinating world of gestures and movements. From subtle hand movements to expansive body shifts, our gestures add another layer of meaning to our communication, often subconsciously revealing our thoughts and feelings. Let's start with the hands. Our hands are incredibly expressive tools. We use them to point, wave, emphasize our words, and even count on our fingers. But hand gestures can also convey emotions and attitudes. Open palms, a sign of honesty, openness, and sincerity. Think of someone holding their hands out in a gesture of peace or serenity. Clenched fist indicates anger, frustration, or determination. Imagine someone shaking their fist in defiance. Steepled fingers, a display of confidence, authority, or contemplation. Picture someone sitting back in their chair, fingers steepled in front of their face. Fidgeting, it can actually reveal nervousness, anxiety, or boredom. Think of someone tapping their fingers on a table or playing with their hair. Our arms and legs can also speak volumes. Crossed arms, often interpreted as a defensive or closed-off posture, it can signal discomfort, disagreement, or insecurity. Legs crossed, it can indicate relaxation, comfort, or a casual attitude. But if the person's feet are also bouncing or tapping, it could reveal impatience or anxiety. Mirroring, when we subconsciously mimic the gestures and movements of another person, it signals rapport and connection. Expansive postures, taking up space with our body, such as spreading our arms or legs, can convey confidence, dominance, or a sense of power. It's really important to remember that gestures and movements can vary across cultures. What might be considered friendly or polite in one culture could be seen as offensive or rude in another culture. Thumbs up, a positive gesture in many Western cultures, but in some Middle Eastern countries, it's considered as offensive and inappropriate. The OK sign, a circle formed with the thumb and index fingers mean OK in the US, but in Brazil, it's a vulgar gesture. Head nodding usually signifies agreement in many cultures, but in some parts of Greece and Bulgaria, it means no. So guys, by understanding the different types of gestures and movements, as well as their cultural nuances, we can gain valuable insights into the thoughts and feelings of others. We can also use this knowledge to enhance our own nonverbal communication, making us more effective communicators and building the stronger relationships.